Hi everyone. It's night time again. I'm much more creative at night. When are you most creative? Now that the paintings from the last couple of days are drying, I'm going to show you how they're turning out because it'll be easier to get some close-ups. Okay, this was my first flip and drag, the one where I really messed up the technique. It's not turning out too badly. Where the paints have fragmented here, I've worked out that's because I put so much pigment into the metallic blue that I made into this one, and so the paint has split and there's these little islands of pigment. They should look quite interesting when it's dried though, because they'll be reflective and the other paints aren't reflective. Especially in this area here, there's this lovely kind of flow, like a glacier breaking up or ice melting and going out to sea or something. So I like that. So this is a flip and drag from day 3. Let me see if I can get some close-ups. These are the cells, aren't they pretty? It's not that dry. It's only been there, it's been there less than 24 hours. I'm going to go and get some of the other ones. Okay, so this is quite interesting because this was my dirty pour, and I love the cells here and here and here, and I didn't like this bit in the middle, but I now realise that this area here is reflective. So when it dries, hopefully this will develop some more nuance and look quite beautiful. It's not my favourite pour that I've done, but I really like the cells that I got. Hi everyone, I've primed my canvas because I've painted over it before, but the painting didn't turn out, so I've primed it with a mixture of titanium white and pouring medium. My pouring medium is, as usual, 50% glue and 50% distilled water. The glue I use is white PVA wood glue. I can't get Elmer's glue in Japan. Okay, I'm starting off with just a little white in my cup. For the flip and drag, I've got the same cup of paint. There's about 2/3 in here. There's more than enough to cover the whole canvas. So you lift up one side and drag down, like this. Oh, that was really bad. Okay, that didn't work, but this looks pretty. Let's see what I can get out of this. So there's definitely an element of speed involved, and there's a neck to it. Judy Cuts is really good at it most of the time. Watch her videos. I'm going to try for a diagonal flip and drag, and I'm going to really hope that I get a better result than I did before. Right, wish me luck, fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm going to have to put this down quite quickly. Ooh, it looks nice. Okay. That's better. Still a bit of a rubbish result. It is a bit better. So I'm too slow on my drag. Lovely. Right, I'm going to stop there. Thank you, Melyd, for teaching me that simple is best. I really struggle, especially with over torching and backing away, but apart from this weird coffee bean here, I like it, especially what's going on at the edges, so I hope I don't lose too much of that. Okay, that's it. I've got some cells here. Not many cells elsewhere, but some really lovely blended colours. I'm happy with this. I like the composition well enough. Yeah, I think it looks really pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video. Please like this video. My dirty hand. Please like this video if you like it. Please join our challenge with the 30 days 30 pours hashtag. You can search for other participants using that hashtag across all social media platforms, and if you'd like to join in, you can see all of the challenges listed in the description box below. All you need to do to join in is to choose the challenges you wish to join, and on that day of the month tag them on social media with the 30 days 30 pours hashtag, and you'll be taking part. It's very, very simple. Thank you to everybody who's watched this video, who's liked my channel, and who's subscribed recently. I really, really am grateful to all of you. I'm going to go to bed now. It's very early in the morning. Bye everyone. I made a quick video to explain how to do a swipe, but I seem to have deleted it. I'm very sorry. So I'm going to link in the description box to Anne Osborne's tutorial on how to swipe. The video number is 475 on her channel. I really like her work, so it's a good opportunity for me to let somebody who is much more skilled at it than me show you guys how to do it. If you're interested, then check out her video. I'll put a link to Anne Osborne's video in the description box below, next to the section where it says tomorrow. Sorry that I messed up and deleted my video. I've been having a few issues with storage. There'll be a quick introduction at the beginning of the video about how to swipe on tomorrow's upload. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. Bye!